In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva designs into systeme.io in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and can enhance your online presence by seamlessly integrating your Canva creations with your systeme.io projects. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser. In the search bar, type in systeme.io and press Enter to navigate to their website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so now. For those unfamiliar, systeme.io is a versatile platform designed to help you manage and grow your online business. It's packed with numerous tools for email marketing, building sales funnels, and more. At this point, it's important to ensure you have a Canva embed code ready in your clipboard. If you're not sure how to get that, simply head over to Canva, open your design, click on the Share button, then select Embed. Copy the code provided, and you'll be ready to go. Now, return to systeme.io and head over to the page editor for the page you'd like to edit. The page editor is where you can customize the appearance and content of your page to fit your needs. Once there, browse through the list of available page elements and look for a section titled Raw HTML. This is usually found near the bottom of the list. The raw HTML element is a powerful tool that allows you to add custom code snippets to your page, making it ideal for embedding external content like your Canva designs. Drag and drop the raw HTML element onto the page where you want your Canva design to appear. This part is key, as you'll place your design exactly where you want it to show up when users visit your page. Once you've positioned the raw HTML element, click on it and a small toolbar will appear. From this toolbar, select Edit Code. This will open up a code editor where you can input your HTML. You'll probably see some placeholder code in there. To proceed, delete any existing code to avoid conflicts, then carefully paste the Canva embed code you copied earlier. This step is crucial because it's where the magic happens. Pasting this code allows your Canva design to be displayed on your systeme.io page. After pasting the code, it's time to finalize everything by clicking Save. This ensures that the changes you've made are applied, and your design is now a part of your systeme.io page. Take a moment to preview the page to confirm that the design displays correctly. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully converted a Canva design into systeme.io. This method not only saves time, but also allows you to leverage the best of both platforms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.